Hello there, this is Teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today we will study the Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. This is the continuation of our lesson last time under Unit 54, and now we are on the exercises page. So are you ready to answer these exercises? Very good. Let's continue with 54.1. Write sentences beginning I went to and then choose from the boxes. So on 54.1, you will choose the beginning or the first phrase of your sentence, but you will begin with the word or with the phrase I went to. Okay, and then there is the plus sign here. You'll change it to the word to and choose what is the correct continuation of your first phrase. So let's start with number 1. Okay, so as the direction, it says starts with the word I went to. So I went to, and then you will choose the post office. Okay, so the plus sign will be changed to the word to. Okay, so what are the things you can see in a post office? Is it food, medicine, stamps, or friend? Okay, very good. That is stamps. So I went to the post office to get some stamps. Okay, very good. Let's continue with number 2. I went to, you will just choose, so the supermarket. I went to the supermarket. Okay, so the plus sign will be changed to the word to. So what can you see inside the supermarket? Is it food, medicine, or friend? Okay, very good. So that is food. So I went to the supermarket to buy some food. Let's go now on number 3. I went to the cafe. So cafe is the place where you can meet your friends or hang out with them. So as I say, what can you see inside the cafe? Okay, so that is to meet a friend. So I went to the cafe to meet a friend. Number 4. I went to the chemist. Okay, so chemists are the one who make drugs or medicine. So you will choose the last one, get some medicine. So I went to the chemist to get some medicine. Okay, very good. Let's continue with 54.2. Complete the sentences, choose from the box. So on 54.2, you will choose in this box what is the correct or appropriate continuation of each sentences here. So let's look at number 1. I turned on the television. Okay, so the word television. What can you do with a television? Is it fresh air? Open this door? Read the newspaper? See who it was? Wake him up or watch the news? Okay, very good. So that is to watch the news. So I turned on the television to watch the news. Okay, number 2. Alice sat down in an armchair. So armchair, what can you do with an armchair? Okay, so is it fresh air? Open this door, read the newspaper, see who it was, or wake him up? Very good. So you will sit down in an armchair to read the newspaper. So Alice sat down in an armchair to read the newspaper. Number 3. Do I need a key? Okay, so what are the things you can use with a key? Is it fresh air, door, see who it was, or wake him up? Okay, very good. That is the door. So do I need a key to open this door? Number 4. I went for a walk by the river. So the word river. What can you do with the river? Is it fresh air, newspaper, see who it was, wake him up, or open this door. Okay, very good. That is to get some fresh air. I went for a walk by the river to get some fresh air. Okay, so I will give you a technique so that you can answer this kind of exercises easily. So you'll just cross out the words that you already used, like to watch the news, okay? To read the newspaper, so cross it out. Next is to open this door, cross it out. Next is to get some fresh air, and then this one, cross it out. So that you can see that you only have 2 words to choose, okay? So let's continue with number 5. I knocked on the door of David's room. So David's room, okay? So what can you do when you knocked on the door of David's room? Okay, very good. That is to wake him up. Okay, so I knocked on the door of David's room to wake him up. Very good. So cross this out. And the last one. The doorbell rang, so I looked out of the window. Okay, so there is only one answer left, and that is to see who it was. Okay, so cross it out and then put your answer on the blank. Okay, so that is how to answer this kind of exercises without confusing or you don't know what is the right answer. Okay, so let's go now on 54.3. Okay, so use your own ideas to finish these sentences. Okay, so you will use the word to. So on 54.3, you will put the right or appropriate continuation of the sentences with your own ideas. So let's look at number 1. I went to the shop to get a newspaper. Okay, so that is the idea of the speaker. Okay, so he went to the shop to get a newspaper. Number 2, I'm very busy. I haven't got time to eat. Okay, so this is my idea. Okay, so you can make your own idea and practice to answer this. Number 3, I phoned Anne to ask her help. 4, I'm going out to have some fun. And 5, I borrowed some money to buy new clothes. So those are my ideas, okay? So you can use or practice this kind of exercise to help you to make a good sentence with good grammar. Okay, so we will continue our lesson on the next video. Review how to use this type or pattern of exercises and study hard. Bye!